Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will read the page number 22 and 23. As you know, we are reading the reader Heidi. Okay, so let's start. You have to open your book, the page number 22, 23. Aunt Dete took Heidi to a big house in Frankfurt. Okay, so look at the picture that where Aunt Dete took Heidi. She took her into a big house, and where it was in Frankfurt. She lived there with some of Aunt Date's friend. अच्छा, यहाँ पे कौन रहता था? यहाँ पे Aunt Dete के कुछ friends रहती थी, ठीक है? Aunt Dete took Heidi to a big house in Frankfurt. She lived there with some of Aunt Dete's friends. A little girl called Clara lived there too. Okay, who was little girl and what was the name of the little girl? The name of the little girl was Clara. Okay, where was Clara lived? कहाँ रहती थी Clara lived in the Frankfurt. Okay. Clara couldn't walk. She had to sit in a wheelchair. Okay. What happened to Clara? That Clara couldn't walk. Okay. What was the problem with Clara? Clara couldn't walk. She had to sit in a wheelchair. So let's revise. Aunt Dete took Heidi to a big house in Frankfurt. She lived there with some of Aunt Dete's friends. A little girl called Clara lived there too. Clara couldn't walk. She had to sit in a wheelchair. Look at the picture that here is the Clara, Aunt Dete and the Aunt Dete friend, and the Heidi was standing behind the Aunt Dete, and they all are meeting with each other. Okay, and Clara is sitting on the chair. She had to sit in a wheelchair. यहाँ पे आपको एक चीज़ मैं आपको समझा दूँ. यहाँ पे हमारे पास यूज़ हुआ है सिट इन अ व्हील चेयर. तो इनका मतलब ये है कि ये जो हैंड वाली चेयर होती है इसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? आर्म चेयर जो होती है उसके लिए हम कहते हैं कि इन, क्योंकि इसको इसके अंदर बैठना होता है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू से शी हैड टू सिट इन अ व्हील चेयर.